Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Iran's crude oil production capacity will reach 4.38 million barrels per day by the end of this calendar year, with an increase of 200,000 barrels per day, CEO of National Iranian Oil Company said. He said crude oil production capacity reached its pre-sanctions level under the Raisi administration by March 2022. French Finance Minister Bruno Le Maire said that the G7's proposed price cap on Russian oil would require wider international participation to be a success. Aside from cutting a key revenue stream of President Vladimir Putin's war chest, Le Maire said that the policy should be seen as a global measure against war. The dollar eased from a 20-year high after data showed the pace of US hiring rose more than expected last month. But wage growth moderated and employment ticked higher, giving the US Federal Reserve some wiggle room when it raises interest rates later this month. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT. China's Cakes-in Services PMI at 1:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.